Salam. Welcome back to today's vlog. See, this is a Norway lake and it's really beautiful and the climate is really awesome. The air is really fresh. Soon. Today we will take a swim.
Everybody, welcome to the goddamn festival of Lillesand. I'm your little man, old boy Persian man, ice cream man, and I'm here to be yours first servant fiscaling man, and I'm here to take care of them all, y'all folks. And this man behind is recording me and doing a podcast with me, and I'm honored. Thank you, sir. Okay, folks, this entire not show, but this entire segment is brought to you by a very special person that's sitting over there by the name of Zena. Secret partner. Okay, yeah, all right. See, because this is one of them parties, you got to be a little incognito because people are getting a little frisky with them chemicals and naturals, herbals. So it's only my pretty face that you will see. But understand that people are here to have a good old time, jolly old good old time now. Yeah? Yeah, I'm doing good because I'm a goddamn doer. I've done this many times before. Hey, I have a question, okay? So we're at a festival. I have anxieties around pooping, okay? How do you recommend me to poop? There's toilets behind me, and I've tried to breathe, but I can't poop. Yes, Hollywood prop drugs. Oh, with Johnny Depp? That wasn't real blow. Come on, guys. It's not real blow. And that's what we're talking about right now, too. Fake material tools at the festival. We're just trying to make a movie. Dunja. Dunja?
Dunya is from Bosnia.
Dunya.
Schnapps.
Dunya. Does that mean
Rakia.
world?
It means rakia from a plant, one
Okay.
of the fruits.
See, even the alcohol is holy and spiritual.
Homemade.
Homemade holy waters. This is, see, a woman in Bosnia did this like Jesus did in Jerusalem. Jesus made wine. A woman in Bosnia made Donya. Rakia. You see this? This is why y'all is missing out at this festival. God damn it. My name is Ice Cream Man. That's actually my name, guys. So if anybody asks, hey, is there anybody who's doing a little bit of something, selling fake props?
It's Ice Cream Man.
Yeah, just be like, Ice Cream Man is the person y'all shall speak to now. And Ice Cream Man shall provide you like dunya medicine.